Now to the crisis in Puerto Rico. Today, President Trump arrived on the hurricane-ravaged island and saw the damage firsthand.
Shortly after landing in San Juan, President Trump and the First Lady met with people whose homes were ruined in the wrath of Hurricane Maria. Mr. Trump also met with first responders and local officials. He thanked people like Puerto Rico's governor, who praised the federal response. Our Vic Micolucci arrived in Puerto Rico just last night. He was in San Juan, where he spoke with a young woman who just moved back to Puerto Rico from St. Augustine.
Still so much suffering here in Puerto Rico. 3.4 million U.S. citizens essentially trapped on this island as they wait for aid and assistance. Behind me, San Juan. You can see some buildings illuminated, partly because of generators, and some of the government offices have had power restored. But for most people, about 90% of them, they still do not have electricity. They haven't had it since Hurricane Maria hit 2 weeks ago. Many people don't have water. They are struggling to get fresh food and drinking water. And they tell me without power, without resources, they can't work. This is an area that relies on tourism, and the hotels, the restaurants, and the shops remain closed. So many people are without jobs and without income. We met a young woman, 19 years old, who actually spent the last several years in St. Augustine. Yes, in Florida. She graduated from St. Augustine High School and told me the situation here is very devastating. You lost your job?
Two. I had two and I lost them both. One is underwater and one couldn't pay me well, so they had to send me home.
Really?
Yep.
So what are you doing?
Right now, I'm just looking for more jobs, looking for more options because I have an apartment to pay and everything, so I have to look for a way to make money and, you know.
How dire is the situation?
I'll say it's pretty hard. San Juan is a really small community and we only have one supermarket. So it's really hard for us to get food, get water, you know, it's hard.
That is the governor's mansion here in Puerto Rico, and he says he has gotten a lot of help from the National Guard, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Coast Guard, as well as FEMA. But they say they need more help. This is going to be an ongoing crisis for potentially years. Yes, that's how long it could take for some people in the rural parts of this island to get electricity and running water back. So obviously a lot of people very concerned, especially for those in the remote areas that we're going to try to get to tomorrow. Of course, we'll keep you posted. For now, from San Juan, I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.